AI has totally transformed video creation. It takes just a fraction of the time, even for the smallest of businesses, to record and edit polished and professional looking video. There's no need to buy expensive video paraphernalia and software. In fact, you don't even need to be on camera anymore. What you do need, however, is an effective AI video editing tool, which will do all the hard work for you in one place, saving you hours of tedious work and streamlining your workflows. So in this video, I'll be revealing what I believe will be the only AI video editing app solopreneurs and small businesses will need in 2026. And to prove it, I'll walk you through 5 key features that have transformed how I create videos. So let's make a start by hopping over to VEED AI. Start by typing VEED AI into your browsers. There's a free account available, but to benefit from the AI features, you'll need to upgrade. If you're quick, you can still snap up a 45% discount on annual plans by clicking the link underneath in the description. Offers end on the 30th of November. The first feature is the AI script generator. This is a perfect solution for inexperienced video creators who have a great idea and vision but don't know how to make a start to turn it into a video. With the AI Apps tab selected, click AI Script Generator. Describe the topic of your video. Select the tone you'd like to use from the drop-down menu, who your video is for, and where you'll be posting your video. Now click Generate. Based on your choices, VEED will now generate the first draft of a video script. You can go in and edit this in exactly the same way as you would do a Word document, by deleting and adding new sections. Check the script thoroughly to make sure there are no grammatical or spelling errors. Once done, click Create AI Reel. VEED will now use its built-in AI tools to flesh out your video with media and convert the video script into subtitles to create the first draft of your video. Change the media at any time by clicking on the thumbnail image, uploading your own media, or using VEED's stock media. If you're feeling confident and creative, why not have a go at generating your own media using one of the many cutting-edge AI models available in VEED? Better still, if you have your own brand photographs or videos, you can upload them directly into your project with just a few clicks. In the settings column, make sure you've got the correct ratio selected, and then bring your project to life by adding a voiceover. Select your language, and then choose a voiceover which best suits the tone and style of your project. You can add music if you like, and then finally add your captions. Double check the video by playing it through and then go ahead and download it. Feature number 2, the teleprompter and eye corrector. These 2 features combined have completely transformed the way I create videos. They're ideal if your mind just goes blank as soon as you hit record. So start off by scripting out your video. Starting on the VEED home screen, select Recorder, select Camera. The first thing you want to do is make sure you've got your camera and your microphone connected to VEED. So at the bottom, click on the little arrow, downward arrow, select your camera. You can use external cameras, so if you're using one of those, make sure you select that. Select your microphone in exactly the same way, so I'm using my Shure microphone. Make sure you've got the correct ratio for your recording, and then click teleprompter, and this feature is free for all account holders. So click teleprompter and then paste your script into this box here. At the bottom of the teleprompter screen, you'll find a little stopwatch icon. Click on that, and here you can adjust the speed at which the script scrolls down your screen. To adjust the speed, hold your cursor down over this little button and slide it along the slider bar. So the faster you read, you'll want to slide it along towards the hair. And if you're a slow reader, make sure you drag it to the left towards the snail. Give it a test run first to make sure you're happy with the speed. And when you're happy, all you need to do is click on record. You get a really handy countdown timer. And you're off. And now you can just read the script from your screen. Click stop to stop the recording. Now, to make sure that your eyes are looking at the camera, even though you've been reading off a script, what you need to do is go down to the bottom underneath the video recording and click on Magic, and then select Eye Contact. And VEED will now adjust the alignment of your eyes so it looks like you're looking into the camera. Feature 3, creating professional video backgrounds. You don't need to worry about not having a suitable backdrop for your videos. And you definitely don't need to redecorate to achieve that perfect studio background to film against, because you can now generate your own unique video backdrop using VEED's text-to-image tools and a single text prompt. With the video selected in the video editor, scroll down until you find Remove Background and click on it. This may take a while depending on the duration of your video. I'm just going to quickly change the background colour to white just because I prefer a white background. And then I'm going to use one of the incredible generative AI tools available in VEED to generate my own background. Conjure up an image by combining your imagination with a simple text prompt in Stable Diffusion 3. This isn't the only text-to-image AI model available in VEED. Let me show you something very exciting which you may not have already discovered. Underneath the box where you write your text prompt, you'll find a note of which AI model you're using. Click on that and you'll reveal up to 23 cutting-edge AI text-to-image models, including DALL-E 3, Nano Banana, and Nano Banana Pro. Click on the thumbnail to use any of those AI models, provided you've got the credits available in your account. Then type a descriptive text prompt to explain exactly what sort of backdrop you'd like. Once done, select the correct ratio for your image and then click Generate. Choose your preferred image and click the plus icon to add it to your project. Finally, click on the 3 little dots underneath the video and send the background to the back. You've now got your perfect video background. Feature 4, resizing videos for social media. Resizing videos into shorts for every social media platform is totally unnecessary. That said, creating video snippets from a long-form YouTube video is a very effective way of teasing your audience and enticing them over to your YouTube channel. So with your videos selected, click on Original, select the correct ratio for your shorts video. And this is what I love. VEED will show you all the safe areas and which areas to avoid when posting to social media. Make any quick adjustments like resizing your video overlay, and then get ready to add your subtitles. Feature number 5, automatic subtitles. In VEED, subtitles are quick and easy to add with just a few clicks. And not just that, you can rely on them for accuracy. If there are a couple of errors, you can correct them quickly without having to cut and clip sections out. VEED will do that for you. Click on Subtitles in the left-hand side column, choose your language, and then click on the blue auto-subtitle button to start generating the subtitles. This may take a couple of minutes depending on the duration of your video, so go off and make yourself a cup of tea or a cup of coffee and come back to some completed subtitles. The subtitles will form a new layer in the video editor. Choose from a whole range of subtitle styles from professional to quite funky. Click on the video style to apply it. You can edit any style even further by adding your brand fonts and colours by clicking on the Style tab and then clicking on Edit. For a more detailed walkthrough of how to add your own brand styles to fonts and include your own brand colours, click on the link in the end screen which is coming up after this video. VEED subtitles are incredibly accurate, but should you wish to make any amendments, or if there are any words or phrases that VEED's unsure about, you can edit the subtitles in exactly the same way as you would do a Word document. Ensure the subtitles appear in the template safe zone and just reposition them if needed. You can now go ahead, click on Done and download your completed video short. The final step is to check out those 2 videos which I referenced earlier on in this video, and they are coming up just now in the end screen. So thank you very much for watching, and I will see you next time.